This energy is a mystery, made a wonder. You never know.
Happy birthday, Ryan!
Si Rain kasi very strong yung personality niya. Sabi ko nga, she's like a boss. Ang ano lang sa kanya talagang very consistent siya sa lahat ng ginagawa niya. Especially sa studies niya.
In the unknown. Wherever it may take us.
I would like to describe Rain as my, nakikita ko siya as my little bro kasi din siya, even though na babae siya, marunong siya makisakay sa vibes ng bilang kuya. Siguro Rain, for this one, you are already 18. I want you to have a right path, kumbaga, live at your own pace, kumbaga, huwag kang makisabay sa ibang tao kasi I know that you are a great person. Learn how to, dumiskarte ka rin pala ng sarili mo na kumbaga mapupunta ka sa tamang lugar.
We never know.
So first of all, I'd like to greet this lovely lady a happy birthday. So ayun, parang it's fashion over comfort for Ryan every day. But as much as she's such a fashionista, such a kikay kid, she's also very caring and supportive.
Happy 18th birthday, Ryan. As you step into this exciting new chapter of your life, may your journey filled with laughter and joy.
Follow the
You were one of my first friends in US. I was very shy and I was very grateful that you were very approachable to me. Oh my God. Kasi it was my first time ever walking out of the world. In that moment, I realized that I wanted this person to be one of my lifelong friends.
I hope that you will always do well and get through every hardship you encounter. Know that na, yun nga, andito lang kami lagi. So, call us up. One call away lang kami dito, girl.
Ryan, please, pasensya na si ate, sobrang maldita talaga, sobrang sungit. Pero alam mo naman, yun yung way of showing ko na kung gano'n kitang kalove. Happy birthday, Rain! 18 ka na, huwag ka nang pa-baby-baby, tama na sa pagiging bunso. I love you, love na love ka ni ate.
chasing the unknown.